What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I am very excited to be home, and guess who's in town? My mom. You can't even see her that well, but she flew into town to help us with our house. So this is an exciting vlog. A lot of you guys have been asking for updates on our decor situation and just how the house is coming along, because basically we moved in and then we went to Australia like 3 days later. So we didn't really have a lot of time to like unpack and decorate. So while I was in Arizona, just barely, Leif was unpacking and organizing the entire time. Our assistant has been helping us a ton, and it's finally looking like actually like a house now. Me and my mom today, we kind of just made a plan. We made a list of things that we need and just deciding like what we're trying to do for each room. So we're kind of focusing today on the family room or living room and the kitchen and a little bit of the guest room maybe. Obviously, she's only in town for 2 days, so we can't like tackle every single thing I want to tackle while she's here, but we're making the most of her time. So we made a list, like I said, and now we are just gonna go shopping for a bunch of stuff, and then I'll take you guys with us and you'll see what we kind of pick out, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what our house currently looks like and then what our plans are. Also, I just got in my dream boots from Free People. This color is absolutely amazing. I'll link them if they're still in stock for you guys, because they were kind of low in stock when I even ordered them. These are literally, I'm so obsessed with them. And fun fact, if you guys remember on a past vlog, or maybe it was on my Instagram story, I got these earrings when I was thrifting. Aren't they so fun? I seriously love them so much. I really don't remember if that was a vlog or an Insta story, but if you remember, you're a real one. First stop, Home Goods. This is what we have found so far. This pillow, this wooden tray, this stack of starfish that we're kind of on the fence about, this other really cute pillow, and I'm looking at this bistro set, this like little table and chair set that I want to put in my like courtyard, backyard area, and I'm really considering getting it. I think I've been going around the store kind of just contemplating it, but I'll show you guys in a second. Okay, so here's the set. It is Tommy Hilfiger. My mom just sat in it. She said it's very comfy. I think it's so cute. And I just grabbed this pillow as well. It's a really cute texture and color. Okay, I got the set and we are headed to lunch right now at my favorite place, Jinya. They have the best vegan ramen ever. Using a fork, so cultured. This is my favorite. It's so good, you guys. We're making a quick stop at this adorable little vintage home decor shop. How cute. It smells like heaven with all these flowers. You guys, I just got the best stuff at that thrift store. I found the most perfect piece of coral. I'll show you guys in a second, or like when we get back home, but oh my gosh, it's so pretty, and I found a few cute pots, so I'll show you guys soon. But now we are at Jones on 3rd. My assistant actually got Leif and I some goodies from here on our anniversary, and it's the cutest place. I'd never been in here, but she told me I had to come. So it was right next to the vintage shop, so we decided to hop in really fast. Hop in is what I meant. This is what it looks like a little bakery, and then this section is ice cream and floats. So cute. Our day so far has been absolutely perfect, so of course something had to go wrong. I got a parking ticket. We were parked in this spot for maybe 2 minutes and it wasn't taking my card. I tried 2 cards and they wouldn't work, and we were just running into that cafe really fast. So I was like, hey, let's just make it really snappy. No joke, it was 2 minutes, and the parking person pulled up and I ran out and was like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I tried to pay, but it wouldn't take my cards. And she was basically very unapologetic, did not care at all that it wouldn't work when I paid, and she was not having it. She gave me a ticket and here we are. But my mom said, would you rather have the coral that you just bought shatter, or would you rather pay this ticket? And I said, I would rather pay the ticket. So we're having a good day still.
We're over it.
And we're over it. And she's got her ice cream and we're having a great day. We're at Goodwill. We have already found some very cute woven things. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this, but it's cute. I also found this vase. It says wine cooler on it, but I'm probably just gonna flip it around. It's just like a really cute terracotta color. So that's really cute. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. Yesterday was filled with a few more errands that were honestly pretty boring. We had to go to Home Depot and wait there for probably an hour to get our board cut. We got a huge board to make an open shelf in our kitchen. We're gonna make that today, but we seriously waited in line for probably an hour to get that cut, and there was just a lot of random things that we had to get at Home Depot that I didn't think would be very interesting to you guys. Another errand that we ran that I didn't vlog was we went to Michael's and we bought some paint because we're going to paint this light fixture that I bought. I am obsessed with the light fixture, but I didn't love the color of it. It was just too brown. I'll show you guys right now. So this is the light fixture that is going to go over our kitchen table. And I thought it was more of a tan color. It honestly does look pretty tan in the lighting right here, but it is a lot more brown than I thought. I thought it would be more of like a terracotta, like light tan color. So my mom and I got a bunch of different colors of paint, and we're going to attempt to paint the light fixture the color that I want, because we figure we can get it the exact color we want if we just do it ourselves. So here's the paint. We have a bunch of different shades of like orange, tan, and light pink, and we're just gonna mix it all together in this bowl and see what we can get and see if we get a good color that we like. Okay, here we go. We're mixing up some colors. This is kind of our frame of reference because I really like this color. I want it to be a little more muted and not as peachy or pink, but we're trying to get something semi-close to that. We're getting close to something good. I feel it. It's getting pretty close. Just need a little more pink. These are Leif's sawhorses, the nightstands from our guest room. So he's cutting the board for the kitchen. Nice. Moment of truth. Perfect fit. Okay, so we landed on a color that we really like. We added a lot more brown and tan so that it's more earthy toned and not super like bright orange or bright peach. I want it to be pretty neutral, so this is the color and we are about to paint. Okay, we got the first coat on. We're gonna let this dry and then we'll go in with a second coat, but I already love it. It's the cutest color. You're being a good girl. You want a belly rub? Okay. You're being so sweet today. We're finally hanging this print in our front room. It has been just leaning on the mantle, so we're getting it hung. Woohoo! It's hung! So cute. So cute. Okay, we're working on coat number 2. Looking good, looking good. Finishing up the second coat. I got my macro bar and I'm ready to go. We're going to Tyson's house right now. He just moved into a new apartment, I think yesterday, maybe 2 days ago. And I haven't seen it yet, so I'm really excited to go see it. And we're gonna my mom might give him some design advice and we're just gonna go check it out. We're at Tyson's new apartment. It is so pretty. You guys subscribe to Tyson's channel.
There's nothing there yet, but there will be.
There will be content coming. I told him he better do a house tour. I will be on him about it, so subscribe so you guys can check it out. But seriously, here's a little sneak peek. Also, do you guys recognize that mirror?
Stole it.
Tyson's babysitting it for me until I get my dream home. Okay, that's a really annoying sound.
That's her alarm telling her that she got to leave my house. Get you a friend that has an alarm that tells you when to leave, okay?
Where,
Wait,
are you gonna turn it off? Turn it off. No! I had to set an alarm because I knew we would just get busy talking and I would never... Yeah, we'd end up having a sleepover.
Jilly's room's done.
Jilly's room's done. She's getting real comfy. Quick little lunch break at Shake Shack. They have coconut mango lemonade right now. Wow, very excited about that. It tastes like just normal lemonade to me, but it's really good still. I don't taste coconut or mango. Still give it a thumbs up. Tell me if you taste coconut and mango.
No.
Solved the mystery of the lemonade. It was normal lemonade. They said they don't even have coconut mango in their stores right now, or in their restaurants right now. That's seasonal and it's not even available. So I have no idea why they let us, even order it. But don't go and try it because it's not in season. Okay, we are back home and I should have showed the whole process of this, but basically we bought white belts from Target, and you can totally thrift belts too. We just didn't have time to like go on the hunt for different ones. So we wanted them to be white because we're making these into little leather straps for this board to like secure it up here. So I'll show you the whole process if that is confusing to you right now, but basically you just cut off the belt buckle and you cut off the holes of it so that it's just like straight leather. Very messy in here, but here's the belt with no holes and no buckle, and we're gonna fasten them into some straps. All right, so we got the belt measured and put where we want it on the shelf. And is this the back or the bottom or the top of the shelf?
Bottom.
The bottom. And we have these little baby nails. And we are securing it to the board. Perfect. All right, we got the straps. Sorry, what did you tell me? They're brackets, not straps.
Well, they're strap brackets.
Strap brackets. And we're hanging it right here. It is the next day and I'm ready to reveal the kitchen to you guys. The dining room, I should say. This took so much longer than we thought. We actually got a ton done while my mom was in town, but this did take longer than I even anticipated. And so I was planning on showing you guys yesterday, but the light, like when we ended up finishing, it was nighttime and so it was so dark. And I'm like, I just need to wait until there's better lighting so I can like properly show you everything in the daylight. Here we go. Here is our dining room. I am so happy with how it turned out. So here is the fixture that we painted. I think the color turned out absolutely perfect. I was honestly so nervous about painting it, but it turned out so cute. So there's the fixture. Then these are the shelves that we made and hung up. I'll give you guys a closer look at the leather belts. So these were the belts that we got from Target. And you guys kind of saw that whole process. This we got from Goodwill, Target, that's also thrifted from a while ago. Those are from a vintage shop. That was from Studio McGee. Those things in there are from Target, and that was that thing I found at Goodwill that I showed you guys, that little like wine cooler thing. And then on this side, we just have a few tiny little things. These were mostly thrifted as well, and I believe that's from IKEA. So we just have a few little things on there. And then this pot and the spring like branches actually are both from Target as well. I got those yesterday. And then this little market bag is just chilling over there, and I actually am not positive where I got that. But I am seriously so happy with this. Like, it feels like just the coziest, homiest space, and it turned out so cute. We also hung this really cute little basket right here that I got from Etsy, and just put some produce in it. And then this little plant is actually a fake basil plant. You guys, it looks so real. Like, it honestly tricks me. I always think it's real. It's so cute. And these are both from Studio McGee. And then I got that, I don't think I shared that on my vlog. I think I shared that on an Instagram story. Got this cute little almond blossom soap. And then my mom actually found this cute little woven container, and we decided to put forks and spoons and knives. Oh, silverware, that's what I meant. I couldn't remember the name of what I was trying to say. So we decided to put silverware in there. And yeah, this whole area is just turning out so cute. I would show you guys the rest of the kitchen, but it is a little bit messy right now because we've just been in the process of doing all of this for the past few days, and everywhere else in our house is kind of a mess. We also got more done. We did stuff in the guest room. We did stuff in the living room, but I'm gonna save that for a different vlog because I already feel like this has been like loaded with just lots of different things. But stay tuned for some fun house updates. We have lots of stuff coming for you guys, and we have done just some really cute stuff, and I'm really excited with how everything's turning out. I was also gonna mention that I didn't really go into like step-by-steps for the DIY things we did, like the leather belt thing and painting the light fixture, just because I wasn't really expecting this vlog to be like a DIY. It was more just like showing you a little bit of behind the scenes. But I will link the girls' video that we watched for the leather belt DIY strap thing for the shelves. Wow, cannot speak. I'll link that below if you guys are interested in doing it, because she gives way more better information about how to actually do that than I did. So anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Lady is being very loud right now, playing with her toy. But I will see you guys very soon. Hope you enjoyed the vlog, and we will see you next time.